Hi everybody, welcome to Silver Octagon Technologies. My name is Cody Graham, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating the second portion of my smart gauntlet, which is a wireless transceiver module powered by a 9-volt battery programmed through Arduino that controls my door. So let's get started. Alright, so how it works on the door is I have the Arduino being powered by my PS4 using its serial cable. And so what happens is right here there is a wireless transceiver module. It's an NRF24. And I also have one on the gauntlet. And so whenever I press the button on the gauntlet, it triggers the program to move the servo in and out of the lock. Alright, so basic rundown of how this portion of the gauntlet works. So essentially, when I turn this 9-volt battery on, the Arduino automatically links to the Arduino attached to the servo door lock on my door via the wireless transceiver right here. Okay, so I made a small button circuit to control the servo on the door. And so that's basically it. So once everything's powered on, it links directly to the other Arduino. So they communicate wirelessly. And once I press this button, it activates the door lock. And so let's go ahead and demonstrate. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for everybody watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I definitely enjoy your presence, and I'll see you guys next time.